Just been topping up the wax oil on the underside of the sill here. Living in Scotland, we have a lot of salt on the roads, and this being an almost 20-year-old car, the sills are suffering. I've recoated the kind of black bitumen tar-like wax oil all the way up to here. You can see this is a repair that's been done by my local welder before. Put this patch in. I've not re-wax oiled forward of this point because you can see here that we've got a rust hole in the sill just behind the wing. I'm hoping that my welder can fix this by putting another plate in here, which will go up to this point here, if there's good enough steel for him to get the weld in this around here. I've picked the car back up from the garage and they've welded a plate over the hole that I showed you before, but I asked the garage not to paint it because I would sort the paint at home, and I've just been cleaning it up. I took the wheel arch liner and the wing off, and there's still a hole here and a hole here, so that's not much use. I need to figure out what I'm going to do. I think my options are I either send it back to the garage and try and get them to weld up these holes, or I just maybe fill the holes with some filler or some seam sealer or something and paint over this. I think given where I'm at with the car, it's driven 220,000 miles and it's pretty much 20 years old, I'll probably do the latter, and maybe that'll just see me through the next 6 months to a year. That's it all sealed up with wax oil. I wonder how long that'll last. I'll probably be peeling off by the spring. It's like painting the Forth Road Bridge, this car. Never ends. This is the stuff that I used to seal up the sills. I'm not really too sure how good it is, but it's readily available and pretty cheap. Drop me a comment and let me know how you get on with this stuff, if you've got experience with it.